Today we're going to introduce a new ventilation fan for closed crawl spaces or sealed crawl spaces. We've actually filed patents on this product because it's rather unique. It'll allow you to set the CFM requirements for code from about a 1,200 to a 3,500 square foot house simply by dialing it on the variable speed. It also has a plate on the back, our foam plate, that will allow you to form it into any opening in a crawl space that's approximately 8 by 16. It can be trimmed, but it actually seals around the perimeter. The foam actually seals and encapsulates the fan, which helps vibration and stability and quiet and so on. So this is a little cover, and the cover's mainly there to keep rain from running down the plate as opposed to blowing in it. This fan runs 24/7, 365, assists dehumidifiers by pulling some air from the home. Code doesn't require dehumidification with this fan, but we recommend it in most climates. So let me show you how easy it is to install. This is a bead of our magic adhesive. You put a bead right where the foam and the plate connect, just around the perimeter, and literally drop your cord through, because your power will be from the inside of the box or the crawl space. And that's essentially how difficult it is to mount this fan. It takes a minute to turn it on. The decibels here range from about 40 to 55. On a large home, you may get up to 60 CFMs, but it's very, very quiet. It's good for air exchanges, air quality in the home. People with slight radon issues will use this fan instead of a complete mitigation. So if you have any questions, give us a call.